Welcome guys, so today I'm with OPPO F21 Pro 5G and I'm going to show you how camera Pro mode looks in this smartphone. So to open the Pro mode you have to select more and then click right here. As you can see in this place we can find few parameters and 4 of them we can adjust automatically and manually. The exposure compensation is the only parameter that we can only set manually. And at the first, I can recommend you to tap on this information icon because you will get this great description of every function. So for example, if you don't know what is going on with this exposure compensation, just read this one. That exposure compensation allows us to adjust the exposure selected by the camera. We can increase the exposure if the image is too dark or decrease it if the image is too bright. Okay, and right now let's go forward and let's find out the minimum and maximum value of each parameter. To get automatically, tap right here. As you can see, when you set up a shutter like that, a very quick shutter, we can change the brightness with this exposure compensation, just like that. Okay, right now we got, it's set up as automatic, that's good. And the next one is the white balance that we can set between 2000 Kelvin to 8000. The last one, it's the focus that we can set. As you can see right now, the objects in front of us are unfocused, so I'm gonna show you my hand and very close to the camera, and right now everything that is close will be in the focus. But when I'm gonna put the hand like that, it will be out of the focus. So basically with this parameter we can adjust the focus range. And the last one, that's exposure compensation. Right here we got camera timer between 3 or 10 seconds, and here we can enable or disable the flashlight. Okay, so that's all for the camera on this OPPO F21 Pro 5G. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.